Okay, I'm trying to make a video to demonstrate why that ball belongs in there. Right now, the plug is just screwed in finger tight and the spring is in there. There is no pressure on the spring at all. It's just laying in there loose, and I'll demonstrate if you bear with me. Okay, hopefully you can see this. I'm taking the plug out. There's the new spring. You can see how long that is. And you can see, if I seat it all the way, that's how far it goes in. And this is how it is in comparison to the plug, which is basically just an empty cylinder. The plug, if screwed in, does not touch the spring on this end. Now, here is the magic ball, and I hope you can see that. The ball goes in there, and the spring goes in after it. And now, of course, it sticks out a little farther. And when I put the plug on, it isn't going to go in too nicely. You have to put the ratchet on to help me. It would help if I have the ratchet going the right way. Okay, I did manage to get it started. And that's it. Now you can tell there was pressure on the spring. When I had the ball in there the first time, the only way I was able to get it out was with this magnet, which basically sunk all the way to the hilt before it made contact with the ball. So right now the ball is sitting right here, and that's, I believe, exactly where it should be. And I'm willing to bet you dollars to donuts, once I get the oil back in this thing, that this thing at least is going to work. Whether the TA is functional or not, that's another question for its own purposes. But this would be the pressure test port right here. that's what I got to show you. I hope that clears up some of the confusion about this obviously missing part from the CNH database.